Hi there, Sarah Miller here. Sorry I missed you last week. So, this week we'll be talking about mixing acids and bases and the chemistry that occurs when this happens. Specifically, we'll be talking about making a volcano using baking soda and vinegar. Baking soda is a weak base, and vinegar contains the weak acid acetic acid. Adding an acid and a base together generally allows all of the protons from the acid and the hydroxide ions from the base to combine to form water and usually a salt. This is called a neutralization reaction. In the case of baking soda and vinegar, the reaction written out looks like this. Acetic acid plus sodium bicarbonate goes to sodium acetate plus water plus carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is produced by this reaction along with water and the salt sodium acetate. The carbon dioxide is what propels the products upward as the reaction takes place. So let's figure out how much of this stuff we'll need to make a volcano. And just so you know, I cheated a little bit and adjusted the calculations once I got a feel for how much reagent would be required for each to get equal mole equivalents of both. So we need to figure out the molarity of vinegar, which is going to require some calculations. So the white wine vinegar we're using has 5% acetic acid. How does that translate into moles? So when something is represented as a percentage, another way of thinking about it is parts per hundred. The 5% value is telling us that there are 5 grams of acetic acid per 100 mLs of solution. Now we need the density of the solution, which according to Google is 0.96 grams per ml. The molar mass of acetic acid is 60.06. Say we had 1,000 mLs of vinegar. First, you would find the total mass of acetic acid in your vinegar. Sorry, you don't need the density. Scratch that. 5 grams of acetic acid over 100 mLs of vinegar times 1,000 mLs of vinegar equals 50 grams of acetic acid. 50 grams of acetic acid times 1 mole of acetic acid over 60 grams of acetic acid equals 0.833 moles of acetic acid. So let's now figure out how 0.833 moles of baking soda. So the molar mass of baking soda or sodium bicarbonate is 84 grams per mole. 0.833 moles of baking soda times 84 grams per mole of baking soda is 69.93. So we have 69.93 grams of baking soda for every 1,000 milliliters of vinegar to make the moles of acetic acid and sodium bicarbonate about the same. And the molar mass, about the same. So we have 70 milligrams of our sodium bicarbonate or baking soda weighed out on our kitchen scale here. And it's in a paper towel. And that quantity has been chosen to fit 1,000 milliliters of vinegar, which is shown here. It has 5% acetic acid, and we're going to put the vinegar in this Fleeker bottle here.
I guess, I don't know what happened to that. You can see if that works.
Yeah, we're going to react it. So we'll go outside in a second. Okay, so here we go. We have our baking soda in a paper towel in the Fleeker bottle with the 1 ml of vinegar ready to go. And
1 liter.
Sorry, 1 liter, 1,000 mLs of vinegar ready to go outside, and let's go do this.
Yeah. All right. Not exactly a volcano, but
Haters. Yeah, that paper towel really kind of messed it up.
Yeah, I think that was a bad idea.
Bad idea was to talk.